Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to extend parking on SpotHero. So if you need to stay parked longer than your original reservation, then just follow along. First, open the SpotHero app and then sign into your account. Next, tap My Reservation and then open your active parking reservations. If the parking facility supports extension, you'll see an option such as Extend Parking or Modify Reservation. Tap that option and choose the new time you'd like to stay. The app will show any additional charges before you confirm. You need to review the updated reservation details, then complete the extension if everything looks correct. And if you don't see an option to extend, the parking facility may not allow reservation changes after check-in. In that case, you may need to contact SpotHero support or the parking operator directly to see what options are available. It's always best to extend your reservation before your original parking time expires to help avoid extra parking fees or violations. So that was how to extend parking on SpotHero. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.